Good morning guys, let's go. Dito ako nakatira ngayon sa building na to. Hindi makikita mo dyan pag umagaw. Ayan, mataas ang sikat ng araw. Ang building namin merong morning dream spa. Ayan, dyan, pwede ka pa magpamasahe dyan. Pero pas tayo dyan, may tindahan ng tinapay rin. Last time nasunog yan eh. Siguro sa dami ng binibig nilang tinapay. Ito yung sasakyan natin, no? Gagamitin natin sa ating trabaho. So tayo magsasapatos muna. Tcharam! Sapatos na tayo. So ngayon pupunta na tayo sa ating first pharmacy, no? Let's go! Ito na yung first pharmacy natin. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Siguro nandito na yung kasamahan ko, no? Si Poging Amir. Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Mr. Amir. How are you? Ayan yung kasamahan ko. Palestinian yan. Siya yung tinrain natin ng ilang buwan, no? Ngayon okay na siya. Naiiwan na. Maaga siyang dumating dito. Tayo medyo late. And so mag-ayos muna kami. Mga items namin yan. Sensodynes and Parodontax. And item din namin to. Ito. Durex. Items din namin yan. Tapos itong Garnier. Yan. Tsaka itong L'Oreal. Items din namin yan. Meron din kami mga gamots. Alats of gamots. Yan. Yung Dettol sa amin din yan. Yan. Itong mga to. Mga Nexcare na plaster sa amin din yan. Yan. Ito pa. Sa amin din yan. Yung baby milk na yan. Sa amin din yan. Yung Nestle na yan. Yan. Sa amin din yan. Kami rin ang nag-aayos niyan. Tsaka kumukuha ng mga low stocks reports. Ito sa amin din to. Cerelac. Sa amin din yan. Ayan. Dami kami items eh. Ayun o. Hello guys. Hello. Yeah. For today's video. Okay. Ito items din namin yan. Yung mga hair color na yan. Mga L'Oreal tsaka Garnier hair care sa amin din yan. Dami kami items. Almost 90% ng pharmacy. Diba, Doc? Yes. See? So yun, magkagawa na tayo ng report. Kaya i-audit natin yung mga Sensodynes. Kaya yung trabaho namin. Lahat ng pharmacy na pinupuntahan namin, i-audit namin yung Sensodyne. Kasi mainly, yung mga sahod namin, Sensodyne talaga nagbibigay. Okay? Bilang muna tayo. Alright? Go! Tayo yung tumatrabaho ng first pharmacy ngayon. So mamaya, siya naman yung patatrabawin natin. Dahil hindi pa pwedeng ganun, di ba? Okay. Patapos na kami ngayon dito, lilipat na kami sa susunod na pharmacy. Alam nyo kung ano yung mahirap pagka nagtatrabaho ka? Yung naiihi ka na.
How are you, Kabayan?
Go!
Nice to meet you.
How much na my credit?
I know just Filipino words, Kabayan, Bahot, just these two words. Filipino is good. I like Filipino. Even the food I like. Wallah. Inshallah one day we'll go Philippines. Bye.
Check out na tayo.
Come with us, guys.
Doctor. Shit, napakainit. Lakad lang tayo, lakad. Malapit lang yung susunod na pharmacy. Ayan si Dr. Ramiro. Dr. Amir! Dr. Amir! Assalamualaikum! هذا هر هر هر
Har, yeah.
Har.
Har is together. Too much.
هر. Too much hot.
Hot
Yeah.
weather and hot woman.
Hot weather and hot woman? Oh my goodness. This guy is eating too much, you know? He can finish big shawarma in maybe 1 minute. 1 minute.
Because strong meat eat too much.
Yan. Ang lakas kumain nito, grabe. Pag kumain kami no, alambawa yung Big Mac no, ng McDonald's. Pag binanatan niya yun, siguro mga 3 kagat lang yun.
Mandi.
Mandi, yung isang buong mandi na yun, siguro mga 2 minuto, 3 minuto. Ubus na yun.
Yeah.
Ang lakas kumain na ito. Sobrang lakas kumain yan. Palestinian. Ito na yung susunod na pharmacy namin. Life Pharmacy. Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Barsha area. Nasaan na tayo? Orange store. Orange. It's very hot. I will go inside. Oh, pool. Doc, good morning. Very hot. Pawisan na siya, oh. Mag-ayos muna siya. Kanina tayo, ngayon siya naman. Ito yung Sensodynes, no? Bibilang yan. Siya ang pag-audit natin. Mga ganitong klaseng pharmacy, nagbibigay sila ng libreng kaya free drinks, free vitamins. So kuha tayo. Ayan natin tubig, no? Siyempre libre yan, no? Pili tayo dito. Pili tayo kumuha ng vitamin D, vitamin C, electrolytes sa Piper. Dito tayo sa Piper. Tanong niya ano nangyari. Ito na tinutunan na natin habang nagtatrabaho si Paring Amir. Paring Amir, ha? Indian? Tike? Tike? Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, siya yung nag-audit ng stocks, no? Tapos tayo, syempre, iinom muna tayo, no? Ayan, vape muna tayo sa labas. Init talaga ng panahon, grabe. Sobrang init. Susunod dito tayo kakain. Merong pancake house. Sarap dyan eh. Sarap magana dyan eh. Mag-brunch ba. Tapos mura lang. Pag nakaluwag-luwag, dan tayo babanan. What's that? Which one you choose? Kumukuha ka rin, ha? Fiber also, ha? You want to reduce weight, ha? Okay, that's good. May nakita tayong mali sa trabaho ni Amir, no? Kaya pina-adjust ko. Na-adjust niya ngayon. Siyempre tinuturuan natin siya ng tama. Right? We are teaching him the right and correct way. Yeah, but he is already perfect. Sometimes there is a little adjustments need to be. Napa-English ako doon, ah. Ayan, okay na siya. Mir, you tried Durex before? What?
I hope to try.
You hope to try one day? You can try, no?
No, they take one and make it alone.
Alone? Balloon?
Yeah.
Okay. Take and then you make balloon. So ngayon makikita nyo, naka-sequence na siya. Kasi may planogram yan. Ayan, tamang-tama na yung display niya. Ayan, kasama to. Kasama yan. Ayan. Tapos yung pricing ang pinakamahalaga dyan, syempre. So pwede na natin yung picture yan para ma-send na sa system. Pag may mali, magre-reflect yun sa akin. Grabe init. Kaya kaka-check out lang namin sa MI2? MI2 ha? MI2 daw siya. Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise?
Oh,
What?
Amir Bagot.
Amir Bagot?
Maskin. Yeah. This class is just for 5 dirham.
Check-in. Ito namin sakyan namin. What, Amir?
Nice mama.
You're harami, ha?
Me?
Hada harami.
No, why?
Hada mama?
Yeah. Nice mama. Hello guys.
Hello guys. How are you today? How are you tomorrow?
And yesterday.
And yesterday, this is the term like primitivo. Shout out to you, primitivo. Parang Ismail. Kamusta ka? Mabuti.
What?
Kamusta ka is how are you in English? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Yeah. And then
Kamusta ka kabayan?
oh, very good. And you will answer mabuti.
Mabuti.
Mabuti means good.
Mabuti po.
I'm good. Yes. Alright. Mabuti po.
Kamusta ka kabayan? Mabuti po.
Very good, very good. See? He's teaching me Arabic. I'm teaching him Filipino.
Filipinos good.
It's كيف حالك, right? كيف حالك?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah means
Good.
good.
Me
Ganda lalaki, no? Single yan. Ano yan?
Yeah,
Still
single.
single and ready to mingle. Looking for one
No, not
kabayan lady.
Not mingle.
No mingle?
No.
Only single.
Yeah, single. Because if I become mingle, after mingle, I will be cancelled. صح? Here, Dubai, too much hot. Hot weather, hot woman.
Hot weather, good woman.
No, hot weather, hot woman.
Good weather, hot woman. Or hot woman, or hot weather, good woman.
No, the two. Hot weather, hot woman.
You know what's hot in Arabic? It's har.
Yeah, حرارة.
Har.
حر زيادة.
Har siyada. Akiliktir.
أكل كتير.
Akiliktir means too much eating.
Yeah. أكل كتير.
Ada napar akiliktir.
صح.
Sa? Shu akil.
شو أكل؟ براتا.
For today's video, parata. No mandi.
Monday, if I eat Monday now, I will go sleep. Because Monday.
Why all Arabic people when they're eating they want to sleep?
It's good.
Huh?
Because you become heavy and you want to take rest.
Hada karus become big.
Karouche.
Yeah.
No, why big? No, look, not big.
Kabir.
No.
Kabir karus.
No, Karouche. No, Karouche. Good. Yeah, look, body. Good body.
You know, if you do like this, you will look old.
Me?
Yeah, like that. You know.
Me look old without anything. When I married, I will be born again. Inshallah.
Born again, you know, born again is Christian.
No, I will be born again because she will care of me. Yeah. صح ولا لا كبيان?
You know, the most caring woman in the world is Filipino.
Well, yeah, I know.
They know how to take care of you. They
Mm.
will cook for you. They will wash clothes for you. They will give you good massage.
Yeah, massage. I know.
They will love you day and night.
Yeah.
They will do everything for
Even
you.
Filipino woman has nice smell.
Filipino man
Yeah.
has nice smell.
Yeah.
So I have nice smell.
Woman.
Ah,
Not
you're now kawala. you like men now, huh?
Not men. Woman.
Ah, woman. Okay.
Ah.
I thought you like men.
No, I don't like.
Woman, Filipino woman smells good, right?
Yeah, all time.
And chota,
What shota?
chota, like this.
Yeah.
What's in Arabic that one? Kabir,
صغير.
kabir, sabir,
صغير. Small.
sahir,
Small صغير.
sakir,
كبير big.
sakir.
Bye guys.
See, traffic.
Yeah.
This is Dubai life. Sometimes there are big traffic. Sometimes there is freeway. Ayan, dito tayo. Bank loan 1,300 monthly. But second hand, no? At least this one Toyota. Why? What's up? What happened?
No, because my car also problem for me.
Your car also a problem? Which car?
Honda Civic.
The Honda? You have another car, right?
No, I just use it temporarily for my friend car.
Me, I don't have car.
Ah, you
I
also
have
use
umbrella.
Ferrari. What happened to your car?
Yeah, same problem. Sometimes it's I think the gear issue is there.
Engine also or
Okay.
only gear?
Only gear issue.
Gear issue.
Yeah.
You know, because of the hot weather, no, and the car is very old. My car also 10 years now.
Yeah, my car is more than 2008.
It's more than 10 years, but it's Honda, no, so it's fine. So what you're doing now? You use your friend's car?
Drink karak.
Ayan, third pharmacy namin. Kuha muna tayong parking. Baka tayo magkaroon ng fine na naman. Malaki na yung fine ko. Pasok tayo sa loob. Morning, Doc. Together. Endurance. I saw what is this? Advanced hydration formula here. Here, in Philippines, you know what's the meaning of this? Amir, in Philippines, you know what's the meaning of this? Bolero. Bolero means playboy. Playboy. Yes. So you drink that one, you will become playboy. Okay? Yalla, bye. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum. Hi Nafarad. How are you?
Ya akil kelas?
Eh? What?
Akil kelas?
Yeah. No akil.
No akil?
No.
No?
Yeah. Akil no.
Why?
I want to marry wife to make me akil. Yeah. When there is akil, there is life.
When there is wife, there is life.
Yeah. Yeah, wife life.
There is wife, there is life. Mashallah. Dito na kami sa mall ngayon, kaya relax na kami. Siguro mga 4 na pharmacy dito. Tapos nun, yan na, no?
Yalla tabos.
Tapos na.
Tabos na.
Kalas. Tapos in Arabic means kalas. Kalas. Okay?
شوي شوي.
شوي شوي. تماني شوي. هند شوي.
احنا شوي شوي.
ها؟
يعني after شوي شوي. Come again.
بعدين.
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 بعدين come again.
بعدين تعبان.
No, بعدين come again.
بعدين come again تعبان.
Yeah. Bye.
So for today's video, andito kami ngayon sa Binsina, sa isa sa pinakamalaking account namin, Binsina Pharmacy. Guys, siya ng Durex. Durex. Amir's best friend, Durex. Sa, Amir? Arranging? No best friend for Durex? But you like Durex, ha? Same like Primitivo, ha?
Everything you like?
Yeah. This one, huh? You like this one?
This.
Yeah. So the wetness will be constant, you know. Same like overflowing water. Same pinapatrabaho ko sa lahat dito. Malaki itong account na to. Ang Binsina na yan. So yung pinatatrabaho natin para matuto. Tige? Sa walala?
Yeah.
Sa walala. Parking lot.
Hello guys.
Kalas!
How are you today?
Tapos tayo magtrabaho, no? Relax na lang kami. What you're tired? What's the tired?
Bagod.
Pagod?
Yeah.
You're pagod? Taban?
Taban.
Pagod.
I am too much bagod.
Too much pagod?
Yeah.
Kalas.
If there is any Filipina can make me a meal to eat and go sleep. Yalla bye. See you.
Thank you, Dr. Amir.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow,
See
okay?
you, kabayanat.
Real 10 tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.